Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you have clicked on this video, you are probably staring at a frustrating white screen right now that says, please unblock challenges.cloudflare.com to proceed, and you can't get past it no matter what you do. You might be trying to log into Chatgpt, scroll through X, use Canva for work, or even launch League of Legends, but nothing is loading. I want to start by telling you the most important thing. Do not panic. There is nothing wrong with your computer, your Wi-Fi, or your browser settings. You haven't been hacked and you haven't accidentally blocked anything. What is happening right now is a massive, widespread internet disruption affecting a company called Cloudflare. To put it simply, Cloudflare is like the security guard for a huge chunk of the internet. They sit between you and websites like Spotify, Discord, and OpenAI to make sure you aren't a robot or a hacker. That error message regarding challenges.cloudflare.com is basically that security guard falling asleep on the job. The system that is supposed to verify you is currently broken on their end, so it's getting stuck in a loop and failing to let you through to the website. Reports are coming in from all over the world confirming that this is a global outage. The outage tracking site Down Detector showed a massive spike starting around 6 a.m. Eastern Time, and Cloudflare has officially updated their status page confirming they are dealing with widespread 500 errors. This means the issue is strictly on their servers. Because Cloudflare powers the infrastructure for thousands of businesses, when they go down, it has a domino effect, taking down everything from social media apps to gaming servers and design tools simultaneously. So, how do you fix it? Since this is a server-side issue, you technically cannot fix it yourself, but there are a few things you can try to force a connection. First, try opening the website in an incognito or private window. Sometimes your browser caches the error page and incognito forces a fresh attempt. If that fails, try using a VPN if you have one installed. By switching your location to a different country, you might get routed through a different Cloudflare data center that isn't experiencing the same level of failure as your local one. If neither of those work, the best advice is to simply wait it out. Cloudflare has stated they are already seeing services recover and are working on remediation, though you might still see error rates for a little while. Do not uninstall your browser or reset your router, as that won't help. Just check a site like Down Detector every 10 or 15 minutes. Usually these massive outages are resolved fairly quickly because of how critical these services are. I know it's annoying, but everything should be back to normal shortly. Thanks for watching, and hopefully you're back online soon.